Welcome to Psychic. Today we will be talking about emotion validation. Suppose you have a friend who is upset because he or she just received a scolding from the boss for a mistake made. Your friend is extremely upset and is crying. Or suppose a friend is panicking because a project is due tomorrow and everyone else is done except for him, and he is currently extremely stressed out and anxious about it. What can you, as a friend, do to help your friend feel slightly better? Here's where emotion validation comes into play. Emotion validation involves 6 levels. 1. Being present. 2. Accurate reflection. 3. Mind reading. 4. Understanding the emotion in context of history. 5. Normalizing emotions. And 6. Radical genuineness. You don't necessarily have to go in order of levels. At the end of the day, these techniques are used whenever possible with the ultimate goal for your friend to feel good. So what does it mean by being present? This means making yourself available for the friend and practicing active listening, where you pay close attention to what your friend is saying. Make sure you maintain good eye contact with your friend, although not too much such that it makes the person feel uncomfortable. And where appropriate, you can repeat words back to the person. All these will show your friend that you really want to understand his or her feelings and that you care about him or her. Next, accurate reflection. When a person is under high levels of distress, he or she may be going on and on about several issues at a time, and information may be jumbled. This is where you can try to step in to sum up what is the main issue that your friend is facing and the main emotion that they are experiencing. This will help you gain a better picture of your friend's feelings. Mind reading. As different people will have different interpretations of emotions such as anxious, fear, and sadness, and some people find it hard to describe their own emotions. It is important then to ask clarifying questions to understand what exactly do they mean when they say they feel sad, or if they can't describe their feelings, try to interpret the feelings yourself and ask them if what you think they're feeling is an accurate portrayal of their current situation. Understanding emotion in context of history or biology. Sometimes, people react in a certain way due to past experiences. It is thus important to ask your friend if there has been anything that happened recently that bothered him or her a lot, which might have contributed to current emotions. This allows you to gain an understanding of emotions in context of the situation, so that it becomes easier for you to empathize with your friend. Normalizing emotions. This involves letting a friend know that what they are feeling is something that is normal. For instance, if a friend is feeling stressed out about exams, you can inform your friend that it is natural for people to be nervous near the exam period. This allows your friend to know that he is not alone, which can help to ease some of the nervousness. Radical genuineness. This is by far the hardest to achieve. This involves putting yourself in the shoes of the person, really having a full understanding of the person's feelings. Normally, this is easier to achieve when you had similar experience in the past, but we don't always have the same experiences as our friends. What do we do then? If we do not share the same experience, then it is more important to acknowledge that we might not have been through the same situation, and so we might not understand the emotions well, which is precisely why we would like to find out more from our friend to understand their feelings better. Most importantly, for a friend in distress, we should never blame him or her for the situation, and we should also not hover over their feelings by telling them to look on the bright side and that things will eventually turn out fine. This is because no one can predict the future, and we don't know for sure things will turn out fine. So it is not right to give people false hope that might send them crashing harder if the situation does not improve. By knowing the techniques to emotion validation, we can help to make a person's bad day somewhat a better one. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you like the content of this channel.